Imagine yourself in this 2008 Kia Optima. Everything you need under one roof with this great vehicle. Save your money. Make less trips to the gas station to fill your gas tank when driving this fuel-efficient vehicle. With an efficient 4-cylinder engine connected to a manual transmission that'll keep you in touch with your vehicle. An included Carfax Vehicle History Report allows you to purchase with confidence and the knowledge that your buy was a smart choice. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this vehicle: air conditioning, power windows, power steering, power mirrors, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.